Welcome to the Cooler Report. I'm glad to introduce our newest products on my right hand. These electric range ovens. Let's take a look at the overall sizes first. For the units, about like a 24 inches wide. And the 33.5 inches deep. And the overall height is about like a 58.5 inches tall. As you can see, the units, we're having the full burners on top of the units. They have two different sizes of the burner pad. The smaller one will be 7.5 inches diameters. And the larger one will be about like a 9 inches diameters. So when we're looking the front, we have a control knobs all crossing the units. And in the middle for the two controllers, one is for the oven. They are for the temperatures and the timings. And when we pull it up, we see the oven at the bottoms. And the oven about like a 20 inches wide. And the overall depth about like a 25 inches. And the height is about like a 14 inches tall. These two layers, they are adjustable the heights, and you can remove it from the inner side to change the different heights you want. For this electric range ovens, these connections, you need to find a technician to help to install it, and they have a big wires at the back. And when we're looking down the stickers, it's located right here. They're having all the information about the units for the power voltage, and also they are having the temperature notified ranging from the 140 to the 500 degrees. This will be all information about our products. If you have more detailed questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.